Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah gives you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video so girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet handbag, beautiful purses, clutches ideas for modern girls, joyful women, working women. Beautiful ideas. Some are beautiful ideas for young students, college, uni students. Backpack bag. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern, different designing. Hopefully like this. Follow my channel, like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet handbag. Some are beautiful pocket style, lock-up style, chain steppy style, leather steppy style, wooden handle, metal handle, chain steppy style, crochet steppy style. Some are simple and some are beautiful, decorated with beaded stones ideas like this. Beautiful ideas. And you can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, beautiful amigurumi free pattern, different designing, different ideas, handbag, cat bed, dog sweater, jewelry ideas. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye.